Hi everyone, my name is Milli and I'm here with my friend MONZON
MONZON Surf Coach.
Talk about the safety. So once we get to the beach, we're gonna spot some rip currents, rocks and whatever beach and ocean hazards. We're gonna use this soft board, which is the best option for beginners because it's soft, it's got plenty of volume. We're gonna just like describe which parts of the boards we're having here, so to let you know what we're talking about. This is the nose of the board, this is the tail, we've got the rails on the side, the bottom of the board, this is the rocket of the board. This is kind of the banana shape of the board, which we should go with a more flat one as a beginners. And normally we would have fins over here, which we screw it off for a moment, and leash for tying my leg. The leash. So we're gonna learn how to carry the board. So we're gonna place it under the armpit, around the most widest part of the board. If it's too windy, we can use the other hand for support, and we want to face the fins inside. For the leg rope, we want to tie the leg rope on a back foot of our stance. First we're gonna figure out which are our front foot and back foot. And in my case, I'm a goofy rider, so my front is right and my left is the back one of my stance. So I'm gonna tie the rope to my back one. This way. Then we're gonna explain where to position ourselves on the board. So little section is the balance section where we wanna place our belly. We wanna put our legs together and have some space on the front. So whenever we're pedaling, the nose is maybe like 10 or 15 centimeters above the water. We're gonna try pedaling. What we want to focus about is like cubes our hands together and go deeply around the rails on the both sides. We want to be tight in our body and have our legs together. We don't want to be floating with the open legs or anything like that. Once we've got our paddling right, we want to focus how to pop up, which the most common mistake would be grabbing the rail, so just avoid that. We want to place our hands under our chest and describe two ways how to pop up. The first gonna be a bit slower. We're gonna place our back foot sideways and then put our front foot in the front, in between our hands. Then we're gonna stay low, so we're not gonna lose the balance, and we're gonna go with our shoulders in the same way as our knees. The second way how to pop up is a bit faster one, which you're gonna see most of the surfers. It's the same way. We're gonna place our hands under our chest. We're gonna raise our chest. We're gonna, a little bit with our cheek, we can point forward, which is gonna get us into the wave a bit faster. And then we're just gonna jump quickly. And the same thing, your legs are in the same way as your knees. And wherever we're looking, it's the way we go in. So then we're gonna try to get some white water waves. So once we're pedaling and our position on the board is correct, we pedaling for the wave as soon as we spot the wave, and we trying to raise our chest height, pedaling deep, quick, and we wanna spot the wave. So we're gonna turn around our shoulder on the both sides, and wherever the wave's it's a bit higher, we're gonna go the other way, or if it's just white water wave, we're just gonna go straight. So now I'm gonna film my student Caesar Monzon, and he's gonna show us what he just learned. So first, I want to see you how you're gonna position yourself on the bar. That's perfect. Great. Yeah. Keep your bum tight and legs together. And just show us some paddling technique. Yeah, perfect. Keeps the fingers together, which, yeah, perfect. Oh, now you got into the stage where you spot the wave, you're paddling for it. You want to look around your shoulder to see what the wave is doing. Great. And you want to place your hands under your chest, rise your chest with your cheek forward. You want to look the way you want to go, and you want to do whatever technique of the pop-up you prefer.